Hello viewers, today we will discuss different ways of execution in Playwright. So I'm sharing my screen. So here we will learn how to execute in headed mode, how we are running in headless mode, and also browsers. So everything we'll try to add here. Okay, the way how we use the commands in the CLI command line interface. Okay, now I have two test cases. So one is under Playwright built-in locators folder, and one is under a login folder. Okay, these two we have. Okay, we have these two test cases. Okay, now we'll try to run the test cases. Okay, now there are two test cases, right? So if you want to run all the test cases, if you want to execute all the test cases, so what we will do? So we'll try to add one file here, one node file. Okay, test node nodes. Notes log txt. Okay, one notes we are doing here. Okay, now here this command line, right? If I want to run all the test cases, now see, I have not created multiple test cases. There are only two test cases. So we will try to run each test case, two test cases, multiple test cases, or nothing but two test cases here. Okay. Now, if you want to run all the test cases, just use direct command npx playwright test. Npx playwright test. That's all. So npx playwright test is a default command. So it will execute another test folder, whatever the test folders contains, no, anything, whatever the test folder it contains, it will execute all these files. Okay, with spec.ts files. See, it is running two tests using two workers, right? Two test cases using two workers means two browsers. So right now it is running in parallel mode because it is running in headless mode. Okay, headless mode. Now just copy this command, paste here, paste here. So run all tests in playwright, right? Run all tests. What is the command? This is the command. npx playwright all. Okay. Run. Now run single test. Right? Single test case. Okay. Run single test case. What is the command now? Go here. npx playwright test. Just copy this single test. Anything. Verify page title, right? Copy relative path. Just paste it. Change the slash. It's forward slash. Okay, this is the way of running single test case. Now only one test case will run. See here, running one test case, right? One of one worker. See, one test case got paused, right? Copy this command. Now third one, run single test case. Now whatever we are running in headless mode, test case in Chromium browser, and headed mode. However, the current default browser is running on Chromium now. So still we can write here. See, now this is the test case, right? npx playwright test. So this is the single test case path. relative path, and here hyphen browser equal to Romeo headed. So running in headed mode. Now can you check? See. So cannot use browser option, right? Okay. So same command what I will use project instead of browser. No, just use project. See, one test case is running, right? The test case got paused. Understood, right? What is the command we should use? Now, same. Fourth one is run all test cases. Run all test cases in Chromium browser and in headed mode. Okay. What will be the command? Also CLS npx playwright test project equal to Chromium headed. Okay. I'm giving this command. Now it should work two test cases. See, can you see two test cases are running? By default, it is accepting parallel run. Can you see here? See, when it is running two browsers, two test cases running two workers means it is running on two browsers. See, can you see now? By default, Playwright supports parallel browsing, parallel execution. Okay. See, two test cases got executed. Pass. Right? This is the command. Okay. 4. You understood, guys? These are the ways we are going to run the project. Now copy the same thing. Fifth one, run all test cases in Firefox browser. I have Firefox, right? Just right. Firefox browser in headed mode. So project Firefox. Just do Firefox. Okay. Headed mode. Copy this and just paste it. See, now it will launch the Firefox browser. Okay. Why Firefox is not running? Go to config ts. I disabled browsers right here. Right now, it is only just enable this one. Okay. Now run it, Firefox. See, two test cases are running in Firefox. Tap them. It is taking some time to load. See, parallel browser here also. See, the test case got paused. Firefox. Okay. The test case is running in Firefox. See, even you can view the report. npx, what is the execution report? See, test cases got passed. Two test cases. See, project Firefox. It is giving browser is Firefox. Okay. So I'm commenting right now Firefox. Okay. Control C. Okay. Now I'm running in Chromium only. Two test cases. Okay, just run the report again. See now the project is Chromium. Before run, see the project is Chromium now. Before run, the project is Firefox. Okay, so these are the ways we can run the test cases with a different commands. Okay, now one more important thing is here. Suppose now whatever I notes I have taken the notes here and I'm saving here. But some people know they will not take any notes, or some people will remember with their own IQ. But some people will write. Some people they may lose right everything. But here one advantage is in Playwright or Cypress. One advantage is so we have package.json file right here. We can generate the scripts. If you see here, you can generate scripts here under the scripts. See, you can write the scripts and you can leave it. So what will happen? You don't need to type every time here. You are going to command prompt like CLI and you know, you type npx playwright test. No need to remember every time. So under this, we can write scripts. How no? So like Chrome execution, just type Chrome execution. Execution. So in JSON format, we are running writing in the JSON format. Okay, Chrome execution. What is this Chrome execution? So copy paste this one. Already we discussed. No? So Chromium browser, right? And so it is running all tests. Copy paste here. Okay, that's fine, right? Now, so you don't no need to come here and every time npx playwright test. No need to type here. So already these we called as scripts. So in package.json file, right? So you can see the project information. You can say the dev dependencies or dependencies, global dependencies or dev dependencies. Along with that, you can create the scripts. Now I have created the whatever you are typing the command here, right? So the command I created as a script. Now you don't need to type. So you need to remember every time. So next time, so you this is the key and this is the value in the name of JSON format, right? Just copy the key. Just do here npm run. Just execute it. See, you no need to remember every time the command prompts, like scripting execution in the command prompt. So once if you can write the script here and you can assign to one key value, then you can run that key. So what I run here npm run Chrome execution. This is the key name. That's it. Chrome execution. Suppose copy this, comma, just give Firefox execution. Firefox execution. Copy this and just mm, so run all tests. Okay. Means run all test cases. This is the one. Okay. So I'm creating multiple scripts here. Copy. Now what will type here? Run single test case test. Run single test. So that time what you need to do, right? Run single test. I copied here, right? Any one single test. This one. Copy completely. In this we have to paste it. Run single test. Okay. Now run all tests headless mode. Headless. Okay. What you can write? Just do npx playwright test. That's it. So same run all tests. Same run all tests in headed mode or run all tests in headed. This is headed mode. Run all tests in headless mode. This one. This run all tests. It is in headed mode only. We have given headed, right? Okay. So that's fine now. Now find the scripts. We are okay with the scripts, whatever we generated now. Okay. Now control C, CLS. Okay. Now we'll run each. We have executed Chrome execution, right? Now do Firefox execution. How we are going to copy this key name and pm run Firefox execution. So it will run the Firefox test case. So two test cases got paused with this. Just I'm using key name. So this script, you don't need to remember now this complete line, command line every time. So once you write the script and you keep it here under scripts, no, just pick the key name. If you go with the run all test, no, npm run all tests, it will execute all the tests in headed mode only. Okay, but it chooses Chromium. Okay, if you want to run single test, just run single test. Why you need to remember every time each scripting? See here, one of one. It is what now one of one means a single test. We are running only single test with the title of the test case, with the name of the test case file. This is the file of test case file. Okay, one passed. Now, if you want to run in headless mode, just run it. Headless mode. So the browser did not launch, right? So just we are running in the headless mode. So these are the ways, different ways we can execute huh, from in this project. Okay. I think this is very helpful session. Yes. Thank you so much.